At-Takâthur, competition for more gains, is chapter 102 in the Quran. This Meccan chapter was revealed as a warning to those who waste their lives competing for wealth and hoarding it, and lose sight of the hereafter. At-Takâthur, competition for more gains, diverts you from Allah. حتى زرتم المقابر, until you end up in your graves. Allah then emphasizes that we will soon realize the truth. كلا سوف تعلمون, but no, you will soon come to know. ثم كلا سوف تعلمون, again no, you will soon come to know. كلا لو تعلمون علم اليقين, indeed, if you were to know your fate with certainty, you would have acted differently. لترون الجحيم, but you will surely see the hellfire. ثم لترونها عين اليقين, again you will surely see it with the eye of certainty. ثم لتسألن يومئذ عن النعيم, then on that day you will definitely be questioned about your worldly pleasures. A reminder to never lose sight of the day of judgment. There's nothing wrong with being wealthy and having nice things, but never let it distract you away from Allah and the straight path. Help us create more videos by visiting our website today and contributing to our mission and project. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to access more videos and content.